Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a for loop in descending order. So let's do this. So we're going to create a for loop. So the initial value is actually going to be a big number. For instance, let's just initialize I as equal 10. Okay, so the condition will be actually different. Instead of we trying to verify if some number is less than some other number, we will do the opposite. So let's say I is bigger than 0. So this is a descending loop. So we will subtract 1 minus minus, which will subtract 1. We'll do the following, which is print the actual I number. So we'll do this. Let me just compile this project and run it to see the output. So this is actually very basic. It's actually, so you guys can see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you can do this for a while loop as the same way as the for loop, just a little bit different. So that's the tip, guys, for you. I hope you enjoy and see you guys next time.